Good morning, everybody. What's up? This is Jermaine Bailey, aka J-KICKBOX, and I'm here to give you a quick tutorial on punching. First, you start off with the stance, the orthodox stance or the Shadowbox stance. This is the orthodox stance, the left foot forward, right heel is back, knees slightly bent, hands are up, core engaged. Now sometimes, some people want to have their elbows flare out just a slight little bit, or you want to be inside. Right now, we're going to do the basic. Elbows flare out just a tad bit, chin tucked in, core engaged. I lean my left shoulder forward, and I start with the number one. That's the jab. You rotate the wrist. The ending result of the jab should be that. Okay, the bottom three knuckles, right hand, body, chin. Bring it back. The number two is the right cross. I pivot, turn my right hip, and the right hand follows. And still, my wrists are turned, and I bring it back. Okay, so we got the number one, that's the jab. The number two, right cross. Bring it back. One goes out, the other stays. One goes out, the other stays. Bring it back. The number three is the left hook. I pivot to my left leg, elbow parallel to the floor. Right hand by the chin. Bring it back, okay? Pivot, bring it back. You don't want to overextend, right? Just turn the hip. Remember, you want to move with your body, with your body, with your body. Right cross with the body, right there. Snap it. Okay? And then the number four, step to the right side, drop the right hand, right uppercut. What you don't want is that. You don't want to wind up. Step to the right, pop it up through the middle. Step to the left, left uppercut, drop down slightly, pop it up through the middle, okay? Pop. Everything is with the body. Bring it back, right hook, almost the same. Pivot, same as the number three, right there, okay? So you got the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or sometimes it could be an overhand right. Okay, so in review, full range of motion, my feet 45 degrees, sitting down, right heel is up, so we got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or the 1, 2, 1, 2. Notice my hips are moving with each punch. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, ba, 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 ba. Okay? Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Just have fun with it. No matter what, move with those legs. Don't be those guys. And just do this. It's no good. It's a complete total body workout. So you want to move the entire body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, us.